We've been hearing for a long about the usage of titanium in the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. We learned that Samsung may employ titanium for its upcoming S24 model, but it now seems to be something different, according to a recognized leaker. Ice Universe: the upcoming Galaxy S24 series will not have titanium frames, contrary to popular belief. Instead, only the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be upgraded to titanium, while the standard Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus will be upgraded to aluminum alloy. Samsung armored metal to earlier Galaxy S phones, contradicting leaker Revegna's claim that all Galaxy S24 models will feature titanium frames. Ice Universe, which had previously voiced reservations about the claim, now seems to have gotten confirmation from its source, a smartphone community that has been interested by the usage of titanium side rails in Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Despite the fact that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus continue to have metal frames, it is realistic to expect Samsung to implement a plan for its next-generation phones. Many of us were pleased at the thought of the entry-level Galaxy S24 possessing superior materials. However, conflicts amongst leakers like this are uncommon, making it difficult to tell who has information. Those who may be accidentally or purposely distributing information or blatant lies. It seems that no additional sources have come forward to back Revegna's claim based on the information. On the other side, there are tipsters, such as rClouds, who have offered further information. Unless Revegna provides proof or another leak validates their claim, a universe looks to have a case at the time. Another alternative is to wait for the phone to be officially launched. However, we won't have to wait long since Samsung usually releases its Galaxy S phones at the start of each year. Normally, this would imply a February release. However, there is a speculation that Samsung may aim for a January 2024 debut in order to compete quickly with the iPhone 15 and Google Pixel 8 by releasing models. We can expect updates such as increased RAM, either a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chip depending on the model and region, and an improved telephoto camera with megapixels and lower magnification on the Ultra version, in addition to one of the 3 rumored Galaxy S24 models possibly featuring titanium frames. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.